Many times I've said that you should buy really good PLR. I will show you some really bad PLR and what these people are doing in this industry. PLR is a wonderful product to use if you use really good PLR. Tools for Motivation, PLR.me, Chad Elliser, Contact Sparks. There's so many, and I've made videos about them. They're in the playlist. Watch them. I want you to see this sales page, how bad it is. Don't get it. I'll show you all the upsells and everything. And this is a video about really bad PLR. I'm Brian Toder with PLR Ideas, where I talk about PLR, use PLR, and how to make money with PLR. And be sure to get my PLR checklist. There's a link in the description. Click on it, get to this page, and get this amazing checklist on how to find the best PLR, how to create products and make money with PLR. Really, get that checklist, get on my email list. You'll be in the loop. So, look at this sales page. This is a hype sales page, and they're going to sell you 25,000 ready to sell products. Do you need 25,000? No, you need one. You need to get one. When someone sells 25,000, it's just a stupid number. No, you're never going to use them. Now, before I go any further, I want to give you the reason why I'm doing this review. First, this industry really has to be cleaned up, the internet marketing industry. Usually the PLR in this business is very good. And when you see my videos about really good PLR, really watch them and find out who I trust. In this video, I'm showing about when they abuse the system and try to sell overpriced or old or really bad PLR. Second thing is, these are just my opinions. I'm not trying to vilify the creators of this website or the two gentlemen who are running this business. It's not about this. So this is just my opinion. You could buy it or not. I'm doing these videos once in a while when I see something in the industry where I just want to warn people, don't get this type of PLR. And this is going to say that the price is going to rise. Look at this in 1 second. All right, now it is 19. Oh, look, it just reset. And it's still $19. So this is just going to keep going and going and going. Now, I've shown you some really amazing vendors. PLR.me, Contact Sparks, big product stores, Tools for Motivation. Look at this. These are the people that they say are the bad ones. Why? Because they say they're bully platforms. PLR.me, a bully? The nicest people I've ever met. Look at this. And always 3 steps. 3 steps. They always say 3 steps. Step 1 is login. All you have to do on step 2 is publish your site. And step 3, sell and profit. Baloney. Where's the traffic coming from? Where are you going to build your email list from? How are the people that are in the internet going to find on step number 2, when you publish your site, how are they going to find it? The answer is they never will. Why? Because there's no traffic. 0. A lot of promises, 0 results. So this says this is a $19 sale, but let's take a look at what you're supposed to buy. The front end is $19. Then, of course, there's an upsell. That's $47. And it goes up to $37, another $37, another $47, $97, $97, $197, $578 to get all that. And do you need it? None of it. None of it. None of it. Don't get it. By the way, in affiliate marketing, there's usually contests, and contests are great. So this $10,000 contest, the number one person gets $3,000. Number two gets $1,500. So let's look at the leaderboard. Number one is this guy, Amit, and number two is Annie Rude. And both of them own PLRsites, which is interesting because that's what this product is from, PLRsites. So the contest winners are the two people running the show. And here they are, PLRsites. These two guys are at the top of the leaderboard. This is not how you do this. So why am I doing this? Why am I putting up a video like this? Because PLR is wonderful. Internet marketing is great. Selling is the best. But when you get people who try to sell something to you that is wrong, won't work, and they're saying that people from PLR.me contact Sparks PLR planners, Master PLR. I know these people. Good people. Great PLR. This website, don't buy it. If you get it, you're not getting it from me. There's no link below this video. The only links that I want you to click are the ones in the description. They're perfect for you. Get really good PLR. All the links are in the description below this video. I am Brian Toder with PLR Ideas, where I talk about PLR, use PLR, and how to make money with PLR. We'll talk soon.